In Aalborg University, Copenhagen, a project group of 6 people had the assumption that queues were having displeasing factors. The group made a survey which proved that here was a problem worth working with. Through research in the field, the group reached a problem statement. How can we make people standing in physical queues from supermarkets feel more pleased by adding interactive visuals? Which searched into the possibilities of the semester theme, human senses and digital perception. How to solve the problem statement? By researching into its topics. We investigated physical cues, human emotions, the influence of visuals and visual interactivity. Physical cues research provided in-depth knowledge of cues and its surroundings. Iconic characters were found to provide pleasantness, which was the way to overcome boredom in queues. Microsoft Kinect and Unity 3D game engine were identified to manipulate people's movements in order to create visual interactivity. While designing the product, it was important to solve the problem statement, plus make the product appealing and user-friendly, since people in a queue are on the move, so they have no time to learn the interface. The idea was to capture movements of people in a queue using a Kinect, where image processing after transduces people's movement into iconic characters. Taking into account the time of year, a Christmas theme was chosen with the Santa Claus as an iconic character. For the prototype, an intended scene was created with the usage of 3D models in Miku Miku Dance and Cinema 4D software applications. 3D objects were made interactive due to the usage of skeleton tracking technology, which affected the models based on their bone mapping. After the prototype was implemented, a test in the local shop was conducted. A total of 57 respondents were tested using a self-assessment mannequin method, or the SAM. Testing showed that people standing in a queue without the prototype felt less pleased than people in a queue with the prototype. To influence humans' feelings by usage of graphics can be succeeded by transducing people's movements into simple iconic characters by using Microsoft Kinect. This was confirmed and proven since boredom was picked by the majority as an emotion they felt during standing in queues. The SAM model showed that people standing in the investigated queue felt more pleasant and excited after leaving the queue, compared to people standing in a normal queue. The testing gave data which answered our problem, but also clarified that improvements could be made to the product prototype.